Well, hello, beautiful. It's Dr. Purcell coming to you today with a great recipe. If you have never tried spaghetti squash, consider this your sign to give it a go. Seriously, this humble little vegetable might just become your new favorite swap out for pasta night. So let's talk about nutrition. Spaghetti squash is low in calories and carbohydrates, but has fiber, something your body is going to appreciate. And when we eat it, no bloating, no inflammation. Also packed with vitamins like vitamin C, B6, manganese, which support everything from your immune system to your metabolism. You get all of that without that heavy, bloated feeling that pasta can bring. So you roast it. The inside turns golden, that become naturally tender, like in strands. So it's not trying to be spaghetti, it's doing its own thing, and that's what makes it so good. It also soaks up whatever flavors you throw at it. So if you do marinara, a pesto, just even a little olive oil and garlic goes a long way. So if you're looking to lighten things up without sacrificing satisfaction, it's a great alternative. You can still twirl your fork through a cozy bowl of it, but now it's loaded with vegetables and fiber. So the next time you're staring at a box of spaghetti, just remember you have options, and spaghetti squash is one of the best. And also like zucchini noodles. So I like to cook squash ahead of time, shred it with a fork in my fridge. And when the squash is cooked, this dish of this recipe that I'm sharing with you is going to come together in minutes. So just give it a try and let me know what you think. Bon appetit.